welcome guys. So 49 is easy, so I think I will use just capture a picture and solve it. Okay, so 49 as about whether this is correct. Basically there's nothing special, just leave x equals 3 to by, so you plug into this and you get f of y dy b and a. So the first one is correct, and this one is also correct because you write ab into a3 plus 3b, and then you change and then this term can be written as 3a minus 3b, right? So the b is correct. C says that you add x equals 3y, then f3y 3 dy, then this is a and b. Alright, so if you do the change your variable, that and you can get the answer. So basically I think three of them are all correct. So the answer is E. Yeah, that's it.